guys, so today, sorry, I'm new at this thing, but today I am going to be oh wow, okay, so I'm going to be playing a new game. I forgot what it's called, but it's where you you just get money. Oh yes. Alright, so I just got this game. Oh, look what it is. What it's called. Make It Rain, that's what it's called. Oops. Got two of those. Okay. So Make It Rain is what it's called. Yeah. Ooh, let's get a piggy bank. The piggy bank earns you money without swiping. Okay. That's great. Because we're going to need that. Come on. Oh, yes, we got a bucket. Your bucket earns you money while you are away. And your game is closed. Sorry, I can't read. Sorry. Yeah, let's make it rain. We have like, yes, we got some money. Alright, let's try buy businesses. You get more money for every swipe. Thank God, I need a business. Oh, the paper route. Yes. When you upgrade to a bigger bill, you make your money for every swipe. Oh, yes. Oh, man, we don't have any of this. Okay. No, thanks. Let's see. Ooh, let's get the mattress. Yes. Now we get 2 every time. You get $2 every time. Oh, yes. I didn't know what those were. I didn't know what the blue dollars were, but they're the XP. Okay, I didn't read that, but oh well. Auto swipe. I don't want any of that stuff. Oh, man. Run for class president. That's what we're gonna do. Oh, yes. Get the big money. We're gonna try and get to 1,000 in this game. Sorry, guys. My hand is getting tired. Oh, yes. We leveled up. Alright, so what did we get? Oops. Guys, I'm sorry. I scrolled all the way down. Okay. Oh, yes. Level 1, we got a rubber band and a gold pig. And now we get unlocked missions, paper wrap, and another golden pig. Yay. Alright, so these missions will help you make it rain faster. Swipe 30 times in 60 seconds. Ooh. Patience. No swipes for 10 seconds. And upgrade your bucket capacity to 150. Okay, so let's not swipe for 10 seconds. Okay, guys. I'm not swiping. 88%. Okay. What? Guys, this is really tempting. How about we just count? 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi. Oh, never mind. Huh. We got it. Yay. Oh, yes. Right. Level up to unlock more money clips. What are money clips? I need to try and get to 1,000, guys. Okay, that's our goal. I want to see what this is. What are money clips? Oh well, guys, if you know what money clips are, please tell me. Oh yes! Congratulations, you finished mission 1. Yay! Claim the reward. Yay! Okay, so now we need to upgrade the piggy bank to level 5. There we go. Okay, and then swipe 20 times in 10 seconds. Yes! Alright, so we finished mission 2. And no, guys, I have not played this. Swipe upside down 50 times. But don't do anything. This don't make sense at all. Guys, I'm like turning it. Oh well. Oh yes. Okay. So we did the level 10 upgrade mattress to level 5. Okay guys, I want to try and get to 1,000 first before we do that. Okay, we got to 1,000. Thank God. Okay, so now let's do piggy bank. Okay, we leveled up to level 3. Thank God. Why does it keep on going down? I hate that. Oops, excuse me. Okay. Alright, so we got the match. Unlock them. Match 3 games. We got bronze clip. I think that's what we needed. And we also got a golden pig. Thank God. I needed the clip, I think. Let me see. Money clips. Come on. Bronze clip. Thank you. Oh man. No. I needed that. Okay, so brown clips off. Okay, so I guess we just do the bronze clip. Yeah. I guess we're gonna do that one. Oh, wow. You can watch a video to get big money. I'm not going to do that, though. I'm just gonna get my money. Alright, guys, I'm going to pause the video and... Oh, wait, hold on. Oh, yeah, let's upgrade this to level 5. Yay, we completed that. I upgrade comic book to... Oh, yes. Okay, so we got a new comic book, which is, whoa, a lot. How about we get to, like, I don't know how much we're going to get to, but we need a lot of money. Oh, want to double your money? Match your way to glory. Let's do this. Bet cash, play money match. Please, please, please. What? Difficulty 1, okay. Collection.